Hello, today we will guide you through how to know if the receiver read your email Microsoft Outlook. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to request a read receipt in Outlook on the web so you can be alerted when a recipient opens your message. Keep in mind that read receipts are not guaranteed. Some recipients or organizations can decline or block them, and certain mail apps don't send them. Still, turning this on gives you the best chance of getting an acknowledgement. Start by opening Outlook in your web browser and going to your inbox. You'll need to be on the main mail view where you can see your folders and messages. Once you're there, click New Mail to open a fresh Compose window. This brings up the area where you'll write your message, add recipients, and adjust message settings. In the Compose window, look toward the upper right corner. You'll see a small drop-down arrow that reveals more options for the email you're writing. Click that small drop-down to expand the additional controls. From the menu that appears, select Options. This opens a panel or section that contains message-specific settings. Inside Options, find the checkbox labeled Request a Read Receipt. Click the checkbox to turn it on. With this enabled, Outlook will ask the recipient's mail client to send you a notification when the message is opened. This applies to the email you're currently composing, so it's a good idea to enable it before you send that message. If you don't immediately see the setting, try scrolling within the Options panel or widening your browser window so all settings are visible. Labels can vary slightly, but you're looking for the wording that specifically mentions a read receipt. As a quick note, you may also see a separate setting for a delivery receipt. That only confirms the message reached the recipient's mail server. Today we're focusing on the read receipt option, which is the one that attempts to confirm the message was opened. That's all you need to do with an Outlook on the web to request a read receipt for your email. After you enable the checkbox in Options, Outlook will attempt to gather an open confirmation when the recipient views the message, subject to their settings and organizational policies. Use this thoughtfully, as some recipients prefer not to send read acknowledgments. If you need consistent tracking, combine read receipts with clear subject lines and follow-ups when appropriate. You now know exactly where to find the setting and how to enable it for your message in Outlook.